If Photoshop is showing a DirectX unavailable error, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. These steps are simple, safe, and work for most Windows users. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more fast Photoshop tutorials. First, let's check your DirectX version. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type dxdiag, and press Enter. When the DirectX diagnostic tool opens, look for the DirectX version at the bottom. You want to make sure DirectX 12 is shown, or at least that your system is fully up to date. Next, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Here, make sure Use Graphics Processor is turned on. If it is already enabled, try restarting Photoshop after changing it. Sometimes Photoshop just needs a fresh restart to detect your GPU properly. Now, for the main fix, update your graphics driver. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. If that does not help, go directly to the official nvidia, AMD, or Intel website and download the latest driver for your graphics card. Outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons for the DirectX unavailable error. After that, check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Installing the latest Windows updates can restore missing DirectX support and improve Photoshop compatibility. If the problem still continues, reset Photoshop preferences, close Photoshop completely, then hold Ctrl, Alt, and Shift while opening it again. When prompted, choose to reset the preferences. This can fix corrupted settings that interfere with graphics features. And if Photoshop still won't work, you can try one temporary workaround. Go back to Preferences, Performance, and uncheck Use Graphics Processor. This may reduce performance, but it can help Photoshop open while you finish updating your system. So the order is simple. Check DirectX, enable GPU, update your graphics driver, install Windows updates, reset preferences if needed, and disable GPU only as a temporary fallback. If this video solved your Photoshop DirectX error, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.